interesting night, July 4th, with fireworks spent in Canada and United States. Again, I learned something new about the International Park. So in regard to Romans 12, Christians are to hate evil, cling to the good. They're to love Christians. They're to bless those who persecute. They're to not pay back evil for evil. And as much as it depends on the Christian, they're to be at peace with all people, including people with other worldviews, both offline and online. Better to witness than to battle, if at all possible. In my own situation at work, I have a couple of Sikh colleagues, and I've managed to make friends with them by not battling with them about religion, having polite conversations. Better to overcome evil with good, as the scripture says.